class! It's time for another rhyme time. This one is called 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids are courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Whew, that's a tongue twister, that one. My challenge to you is to see if you can make your own poem a bit like this. I've had a little go myself. Do you want to listen? It goes, 1, 2, a ball I threw. 3, 4, I want some more. 5, 6, we play tricks. 7, 8, please don't hate. 9, 10, climb Big Ben.